From the second year clones, I harvested 4 plants per clone for seed potatoes that are in the net bags here and 4 for consumption. During harvest I have already thrown away bad ones. Now, with assessment, a number of them go out. So far I've held about 30%. After this I will test for blue sensitivity in cooking and baking quality. Then I make decisions about which clones I will try again next year. Here is an existing variety, and this is a clone of mine and it looks very good. Here I have a number of diploids. The yields are not easy yet. The breeding goal of this diploids is the very dark yellow flesh color and the shorter cooking time. I run into some problems in the tubers here and there. I'm going to cut back on the red and purple flesh because the market isn't ready yet. Thanks for watching.